This time, I want to show you this massive cabin that just came out of the shop. There's still some work being done to it. We have some custom doors, custom windows as well. I'll show you on the exterior. It's got a huge storage space and on top. This one is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom layout, and it's got space for everything, guys. And I just want to remind you that many customers love our current inventory, anything that's stocked, they want it ready. But if you have different plans and you want some customization or a lot of customization, we do have a 3D builder that you can access for free. And through there, you can design your own cabin. You can add dormers, windows, wherever you want the windows at. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions about this build or anything else related to our buildings, just let us know down in the comment. We'll always reply to them, and I'll see you in the next one.